Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is the intraday video where we're gonna dive deeper, of course, in Bitcoin to see what happened, what it might happen next. So basically today we still see, of course, a little bit higher prices for Bitcoin. I'm still looking for this one-to-one fib level, and we did not reach it yet. And obviously that this is a little bit of weakness for Bitcoin, of course, that we don't see really high movements as is the same for SUI, for Tau, for FET, for the altcoins, which are of course booming right now. And you can watch, of course, the video analysis that we made for it. Now, basically, most of them might be, still looking for higher. Some of them are already in the top and still looking for a correction. But while, of course, all the altcoins moving toward the upside, Bitcoin is still showing, of course, slow motion moves. And we're still looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to be finished at the 1-to-1 fib level. Don't forget that you are here in a zigzag ABC toward the upside. There is no impulse 1, 2 for two reasons. Again, your wave 2 is not allowed to be a triangle ABCDE. The only wave allowed to be here as a triangle is a wave B, giving higher potential that you are in a wave C. You are still, of course, under the 1-to-1 fib level, and you finished this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without reaching any kind of fib level for a wave 3. Giving higher potential again, guys, that we are in an A, B, and a C. Third reason is that here you can only count potentially a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even this possibility is very low when you look at the wave 3 and the wave 1. Wave 3 is longer than the wave 1, but I'm just trying to give it a chance, guys. So I know everyone is very bullish right now because you're looking at altcoins just booming, and yeah, I get all the crits and all the bad words and bad comments. Unfortunately, it's the most critical time for the channel ever. I never faced such rude and really sometimes very hard words just because I'm still corrective on Bitcoin. And yeah, unfortunately, it is like this. Many traders or many viewers are just very emotional, and just by seeing some moves toward the upside, we are in the bull trend right now again, and we're moving for new all-time high. And it's really sometimes yeah, it's the hardest time for the channel, guys, knowing that we're looking for higher prices, but I'm not allowed to say it that it is corrective, obviously. But of course, this channel is always to say here the clear price action, and whether it is bullish or bearish, I'm gonna say it, guys. I'm sorry whether you like it or not, but yeah, I cannot prevent saying this, that we are corrective. This is Elliott waves, this is the theory, and yeah, I don't trade with emotion, and I don't do videos based on emotions. I just do it based on Elliott wave, guys. Therefore, ABC is still very optional. I'm still looking for this 1-to-1 fib level. Of course, very possible to overshoot even the 1-to-1 fib level, but still corrective. Many reasons here says we are very corrective. By the way, the fourth reason, we didn't reach the 0.38, which is the minimum requirement for a wave 2. So how many reasons should I find still, of course, to say that this is a corrective wave and not an impulse? I think this is more than clear, and of course the time will tell us. And I'm looking for some apologies from some people who really were very rude to me regarding this manner. Yeah, because really I'm trying my best for you guys. Yeah, to show you the best price action and the reality of the market. And sometimes it's really hurtful to see some really bad comments. I'm not gonna name anyone. I'm not gonna show any of it, but yeah, I hope that you just realize the mistake. Here we go. So we have, of course, a move towards the upside on the KGT. We have a signal of a bearish signal. Basically, you would like to see in a bigger view here that we have, of course, invalidated this bearish signal very nicely. All the bearish signal were invalidated, by the way, on the 15-minute chart, but just taking the high here. If you even go higher or in a bigger out of the box here what you get the real price action is here. Currently on the KGT, it shows, of course, you have invalidation of a bullish signal. And that means it's true, you got a bullish signal here, but it is not in divergence with the price action. It is in convergence with the price action. And that means, of course, you might see higher prices, but only corrective. To be impulsive, you would like to see a divergence between the price action and the CVD lines. Currently, we are looking at another bearish signal. Of course, on the 1 hour chart here, we see, of course, a convergence coming from the top. And this might, of course, bring our wave C towards the downside after A, B, and a C, of course, towards the downside. So basically, this is the price action that we are looking right now. And obviously that we have some one more leg toward the upside. You have finished your wave 5, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 has finished already. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's move in the 15-minute chart to see it much clearer. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for leading diagonal, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, not interfering with zone 1, and wave 5. Finished wave 3 after 1, 2, 3. Your wave 3 is very short, and that means, okay, you might get a very extended wave 5 here, but how much extended is going to be? It's going to overshoot a little bit, that's fine, but you're still corrective. You finished a wave 5 with 5 waves, impulsive, and in a bigger picture, you have finished also 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave C, and of course, A, B, and a C. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.